Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out VUGERA's entry-level dashcam, the F2K. This is a full high-definition 1080p dashcam. Let's check out what's on the box here. 3.5-inch touchscreen, 128 gigs, secret mode, parking mode, hyperlapse, SD theft protection, and full high definition. VUGERA have extended the 2-year warranty now out to 30 months for your peace of mind. Alright, we'll open this up and check out what's inside. The warranty card and user manual. I should quickly mention that this dashcam will be discounted 35% for Aussiecams followers for a limited time. So check out the links in the description. Okay, so the main unit now, it has like a brushed steel black or dark grey look to it, and about the size of a credit card, maybe a touch larger. We have on the top from the right to left, power in, rear camera input, and optional GPS. Serial number on this side, power button on this side, along with a micro SD card slot and the V-lock. That's to secure the card in just as an extra security measure. And on the bottom, some ventilation slots, and they're 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen with a microphone hole there. It's nice and light, small enough to fit behind your rear vision mirror. VUGERA claims the F2K is one of the best when it comes to hot climate endurance, especially during our hot Australian summers. The rear camera appears to be the same as the recent UX9. It's a barrel style and fully adjustable. Okay, what's in the rest of the box? Camera mount, parking mode hardwire cable that comes standard, micro SD card adapter, okay, this is the V-lock SD card security piece. That's if you want to install that. And the rear camera cable. Alright, once again, these two cables are optional extras. The 12-volt adapter, and this is the one we recommend you get, the OBT power connector. This is a plug-and-play adapter for a majority of cars in Australia from or around about 2008. Takes the hassle out of having to hardwire the dashcam into your fuse box. Very easy to install. Okay, let's go and install this. We'll check out some day, night, and parking mode vision. functionality. Okay, the unit doesn't have Wi-Fi, so let me show you some of the menu functions. I won't enter all of them. Okay, first up, parking mode is one touch. You can toggle it on and off just by pressing the P. Into the menu and settings, that's some of the features there. You can prioritize different modes where it uses different percentages of the memory card for different configuration, a few different settings there. Motion sensitivity, leave that as is. Sorry, I'm looking through the phone here to see what my finger's pressing. Parking mode, we'll leave that as normal. Driving mode is normal as well. Low voltage cutoff mode, we'll leave that on 12 volts. Convenience, kilometers obviously. Let's do a quick playback from the camera so you can see how easy that is. You can also take the card out and load it into your PC. I've just pulled up from a 90-minute drive. The unit hasn't heated at all. It still feels cool to the touch. Go back. LCD, there's a few options there. There's also a clock. Overview. If you're looking for a dash cam that'll be reliable, easy to use, and you're on a limited budget, then the VUGERA F2K is for you. Made in South Korea and with a 30-month warranty, you can't go wrong. I should mention that the VUGERA factory in South Korea meets or exceeds the IATF 16949-2016 certification. Only one or two brands in the world. The exact reason I'm sure companies like Lexus and Mercedes partner with VUGERA. This certification means all parts and components are the highest quality and the best manufacturing practices, ensuring longevity, durability and the best quality of all of its products. This product also has little to no electromagnetic output and won't affect things like your digital radio or inbuilt ADAS systems. A few other things, the maximum size of the memory card is 256 gigabytes. You can also purchase a GPS dongle for this unit if you need that feature. From memory it's about $15, probably $20 or so. There's also a secret mode where you can lock the screen until the passcode's entered. And it's also got the additional V-lock feature to lock in the SD card if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a dashcam installer in the Sydney area, we recommend the Dashcam Specialists. They have almost 1,000 5-star Google reviews. Speak with Bruce there. The details are on the screen now, and let him know Aussiecams sent you and he'll sort out the best possible price. Until next time, take care on the roads. Aussiecams out.